Application of water pumps in the steel industry. Hello everyone. Did you know that water pumps play a vital role in the steel industry? In the steel manufacturing process, slurry pumps are critical for handling abrasive and corrosive materials. These pumps are specifically designed to transport slurry, a mixture of water and solid particles, efficiently and effectively. Slurry pumps are used in all stages of steel production, including ore extraction, crushing, grinding, and flotation. They ensure smooth slurry flow, prevent clogging and maintain optimal productivity. In addition, water pumps are crucial for cooling and lubrication equipment in steel plants. They help regulate temperature and prevent overheating, ensuring the longevity and efficiency of your machinery. The steel industry is the cornerstone of modern infrastructure, providing materials for construction, transportation, and countless other industries. By using reliable, efficient water pumps, steel manufacturers can improve their production processes and contribute to sustainable development.